Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do some practices with you to get familiar with all the syntax that I've already taught. So let's look at the first question. Get three decimal values from the user and display the sum of the three digits. Simple. So let's say want to do it a bit more proper. So I gave prompt. I'm giving a prompt to the user. So I tell give enter value 1, and then oh, by the way, if you want input, you need to create the scanner class, and you need to create an object in the scanner class. Okay, and then let's import Java to scan. So int a is equals to, or value 1 is equals to se dot next int, because they told it's a decimal value, right? So you can use int here. Let's do the same thing for the next two values. And then we can print the sum. Sum is, you want to put a bracket to do this operation first. So value 1 plus value 2 plus value 3. And that is all. So let's try to print it. Oops. Okay. Let's try to print it. File. And you got, oh, okay, let's give a value. Let's give 20, and then 40, and then let's give another 40, and the sum is 100. So we have done the first question. By the way, these are the questions that I'm going to do. So if you guys want to do it first and then check the answer with me, that would be good too, because the more you do, the more you try to answer the questions by yourself, the more you get familiar with the Java and everything. Okay, let's look at the second question. Get the circumference from the user. Oh, actually, it's get the radius from the user and display the area and circumference using math.py. Okay. Mm, Actually, I like my, okay. I like my code to be on my left side. So let's make this a bit bigger. Okay. Let's start new. Okay. So create a scanner class, and then now give a prompt, enter a radius. This time we don't give a line break. And now we get the diameter, or the radius actually. So let's give it a double, because the radius can be in a point form also, right? So use double, se dot next double. Then after you get the double, you will do the operation. Circumference is equals to, the formula is 2 pi r. Sorry for the pi. I have no idea how to type the pi symbol. So okay. Here I told you need to do that using mathspy. So what's mathspy? Well, in math, or sorry, in JDK, the JDK, there's a file called math, and there are some predefined methods that you can actually use there. So not only predefined methods or predefined codes that you can use there, you also have predefined values in that file. So one of it is math.py. So if you go to the math file and look, the pi will go on like 3.18. Actually, that's all I know. I guess it's like 24 or something. But it'll go on, and you don't have to type the number in your own program. If you just call math.py, it will go to the file, and then it will get the pi value for you. So circumference is equals to 2 multiply with math.py, and you multiply with your radius, and then just print it. The circumference is circumference, and if you try to run this, oh, okay, there's an error. Let's see what the error is. Oh, I forgot to put an R here. Okay, so run, enter a radius. Let's give 7 and enter. The circumference is 43 with a lot of decimal points. Well, let's say I want to print this in 2 decimal point. So what I will do is I'll change it to F, and then I'll give a placeholder here and point to F, and then just I change it to comma, and then if I try to run this, enter a radius 7, and that's all, 2 decimal points. Let's look at the third question. So get the sorry again, get the radius from the user and display the area. Oh, I almost forgot. Not only circumference, but they also ask area. Okay, let's just do another math here. Double area is, the formula for area is pi r square. So pi r square. So how to do square? Just like pi, which is getting a predefined value in the math file, there are also some pre-written code in the math, right? So one of it is math dot square, if I'm not wrong. Oh, it is square root. Oh, sorry, math dot power. So you can use this to power any value. So if I put radius here and 2 here, it's basically r power 2, and then I just multiply with math.py, and now I can just print it. The area is let's use F. Area is point to F area. If I try to run it, enter radius 7. Oops, let's give a escape sequence. Enter radius 7, and that's all. The circumference is 43.98 and the area is 153.94. So let's look at the question 3.